Hello, I'm Liz Lumley of Finextra, and we're here at Notch's Payments Innovation Alliance in Barcelona. And today I'm speaking to Nilesh Dusane of Ripple.
Yes.
So of course we're going to talk about distributed ledgers, which a lot of people in the industry are talking about right at the moment. So, what do distributed ledgers really present to the financial services industry? Is it an opportunity for them?
Absolutely. So there are two key aspects of distributed ledgers that we think are important for the financial industry to consider. Number one is this capability to confirm financial transactions on a bilateral basis has been proven over the last 4 to 5 years. Before that, financial institutions, whenever they used to confirm financial transactions, were always confirming through a third-party clearing and settlement system. Distributed ledger technologies enables financial institutions to confirm transactions on a bilateral basis with each other in real time. There are technologies like Ripple who are currency agnostic, so the ledgers can be used to track dollars, yen, euros, or any fiat currency or non-traditional assets, which make them very powerful tools for existing companies, financial institutions to create new service offerings or to improve their existing payment functions, whether it's for cross-border payments or for domestic payments.
Is there a global consensus from a regulatory point of view?
So regulators all over the world are very interested in this space, and in Ripple Labs, we've been educating regulators all over the world to help them understand what this really means and how these technologies can be used both by central banks as well as financial institutions all over the world. There are different countries where financial institutions have been using these technologies for their payment needs. So for example, we are live with our customer in Fedor in Germany. They have of course worked with the regulators in Germany to make sure that they are using Ripple in a way where it is compliant with the regulations in Germany. In a similar manner, financial institutions in other parts of the world are working with their local regulators to ensure that they are following the right rules and regulations.
So do platforms like Ripple work in conjunction with the existing banking rails or in competition with them?
So if you think about a payment system, there are typically three components for a payment system. One is rules and standards that all financial institutions and participants agree to follow. The second is a risk management infrastructure to figure out how do you deal with reversals or how do you deal with a problem when there is a payment goes wrong or something like that. And the third is a settlement system. What distributed ledgers are purely the settlement infrastructure. So it is vitally important for systems or companies like Ripple to work with financial institutions who can bring the rules, standards, and the risk management infrastructure to use the distributed systems for their financial transactions. So in that sense, they are absolutely compatible or complementary to what financial institutions are doing today.